Welcome to St Aidan's.
We are a vibrant, welcoming and supportive faith-filled learning community which leads our students to strive and excel.
At St Aidan's, we know every child. We know their goals, their strengths, their challenges, their interests, and we work collaboratively with our parents to achieve them.
We are a Newman Selective Gifted Education school.
My teachers really care about me.
They are always there to help me with my learning.
Our students excel academically, on the sporting field and in a wide range of extracurricular activities.
We have dancing lessons, choir, and we even have school musicals.
Before and after school care is right here at the school.
At lunchtime, we love to play handball and basketball.
Younger kids like me can play on our own playground. I love to play hopscotch.
We develop our students' ability to form healthy, respectful relationships based on Christian values, and for them to be empowered to make a positive difference in their world.
Let us partner with you as your child becomes a confident lifelong learner and responsible global citizen.
Come and join the St Aidan's family.